Unraveling the comfort of chicken noodle soup. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic that's not only a treat for your taste buds but also a fascinating phrase in the English language: chicken noodle soup. This phrase is packed with cultural, historical, and linguistic flavors, and we're here to explore all its dimensions. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about the phrase, you're in for a treat. Chicken noodle soup is a popular dish found in various cultures around the world. At its core, it consists of chicken broth, noodles, and pieces of chicken, often accompanied by vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions. Known for its soothing and comforting properties, chicken noodle soup is a go-to remedy for colds and flu in many households. Its warmth and nutrients are believed to provide relief and speed up recovery. Beyond its ingredients, chicken noodle soup carries a deeper symbolic meaning. It represents comfort, warmth, and care. In many cultures, offering chicken noodle soup to someone who is feeling unwell is more than just providing a meal. It's a gesture of care and a wish for their swift recovery. This symbolism has made the phrase synonymous with comfort and solace in times of need. In English, chicken noodle soup goes beyond describing a meal. It's used in various idiomatic expressions and cultural references. For instance, saying someone needs chicken noodle soup can imply they're in need of comfort or healing, not just the soup itself. The phrase can also appear in music, literature, and pop culture, often evoking a sense of nostalgia or homeliness. For English language learners, incorporating phrases like chicken noodle soup into your vocabulary can enrich your conversational skills. It's a great example of how food terms can acquire metaphorical meanings and be used to express care, comfort, and cultural identity. When you come across this phrase or similar food-related idioms, try to understand both their literal and symbolic meanings to fully appreciate their usage in English. We hope this journey through the layers of chicken noodle soup has warmed your heart and expanded your understanding of English phrases. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about embracing the cultural and emotional nuances that make a language rich and vibrant. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating topics with you. Stay curious, and keep learning.